Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the area and documenting everything. This preserves context and prevents contamination. Once done, prioritize likely print zones, handles, switches, glass, then select a development method that matches the surface. Make sure to put on gloves and mask. Chain of custody matters for admissibility. Photograph each potential print before touching it, using scale and perpendicular framing. These first steps establish integrity, so take them deliberately and swiftly. You now develop prints with the selected technique, applying reagent uniformly to avoid artifacts. Temperature and timing affect contrast, so follow guidelines. Once reagents react, use oblique lighting and alternate wavelengths to enhance ridge detail. This reveals minutiae you'll need for comparison. Make sure to capture high-resolution, well-scaled photos at each stage and label sequentially. If a lift is needed, perform it after visualization. If not, stabilize prints for later collection. You finish by lifting or photographing the developed print, choosing tape or gel lifters when transfers are required. Preserve the original substrate if evidence needs re-examination. Then compare prints. Start with overall pattern, move to 12-16 ridge characteristics, and run an AFIS search to narrow candidates. Once you have a match hypothesis, write a clear report including chain of custody, methods, photos, and limitations. If prints are smudged or inconsistent, re-examine lighting, reprocess with an alternative method, or consult a senior examiner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.